So now you can see you can choose any country you want. If you are one of those guys who have an iPhone, like I have iPhone XS Max, if you have an iPhone and if you want to use imo, then what you have to do is go to App Store, and after that you will go here and you will just search for imo. Then what you will get is this imo. If you download this imo on your iPhone, you cannot use this imo because this imo is only for America. But if you want to use imo, then you need this imo what I have here. So if you want to know that how you can get this imo to use this in any country, literally you can use this imo in any country: Bangladesh, Pakistan, America, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, any country you want. If you find this video any kind of helpful, be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the notification of latest tips and tricks without wasting your time. Okay, right now you can see me, I am on my screen, and now what you have to do is simply go to App Store and wait until it loads, and now go and click on your icon, and after that you need to go here and just wait for a little bit. It depends on your internet speed, so my internet speed is not that great. Now you need to click on country and region, and still again I'm just waiting, and change country and region, and here you need to choose United Kingdom. So it's at the bottom place, so here is United Kingdom. You need to click here, and still again waiting for it. It will take a little bit. Now go and agree here, and you can get imo on any devices like iPhone 10, XS Max, iPhone 8, iPhone 7. You can use this imo on any device on any country. Anyway, now what you have to do, click on none, and after that in street what you have to copy and paste is, let's remove this, we don't need this. Anyway, just copy and paste the same things. I'm gonna provide you all these stuffs in my comment section, and you can get all these things really easily. And now click on next and just wait for a little bit, and we're set. We can go and we're done. Just click on done. Now you can search for imo, and here you can get this imo, and now you can download. But I already downloaded, I said, but I have an update, so let's update, and you can use this imo on any country on any iPhone. Now let's go inside of imo, and let me show you. I'm using imo on Bangladesh, so you can use imo on any country. So now you can see you can choose any country you want. Like there are pretty much all the countries available. Okay, the verification code arrived, so now I can change avatar. Okay, you can see I'm on imo, so I don't have friends on emos because I don't use imo. I told you, like, it's my first tips and tricks video. There is a lot more coming really soon. You'll be really happy, and you'll be really pleased to know all these videos and see all these videos. You're gonna get a lot of help. Anyway, that's it for right now. See you in the next video. Till then,